Hey guys, the most common request that we had was for number 6. And so let me find my text box tool over here real quick. This is kind of different than the GCF one that I did yesterday, but it's still a GCF problem. And so we can look and see that these are not perfect squares. Both of them aren't. And there's no 3 terms here. So what this means is that it's going to have a greatest common factor. There we go. There's my, okay. And so what we can take out of both of these is actually a v. And so we can say v times v minus 5 equals 0. And so then that means that v equals 0 and v minus 5 equals 0. And so what's really nice is that this first one is already solved for us. So that's one of our answers. And so these little butterfly brackets, that actually means the set of, oh, dang, sorry about the shaky video. Okay. So that actually means the set of 0 and then whenever we add 5 to both sides, we get a positive 5 on the other one. And so remember, those are the butterfly brackets. That means these two numbers are the answers to our x. Those are the values that x can be. And in this case, of course, x is v. Now, this one's actually also really neat because you can think about this actually as v squared minus 5v plus 0. And you can think what two numbers multiply to be 0 and add to be negative 5. And you should have those numbers automatically right off the top of your head. It would be negative 5 times 0 and negative 5 plus 0, because that would add up to be this. And so then you can actually see that your factorization could be v plus 0 and v minus 5. But of course, we wouldn't say v plus 0 because you don't walk around saying I have 5 plus $0 in my pocket. It sounds ridiculous. And so that is another way to think about how to factor this over here. A long roundabout way, of course, but totally valid. And then you could just do the same thing that you did in this third step here. All right, so that's it for me. I'm going to get back to what we were talking about today. Bye-bye.